Rising Minds. Today we are going to have a look at the life cycle of a frog. What does a frog say? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Do you know where do frogs live? Frogs live in both land and water. They have lungs which absorb water rather than gills which absorb water. And the lungs absorb water, and but in the lungs there is a new part which we don't have. It separates the water, and the water goes out when it goes back into the water again. Now let's have a look at the life cycle of a frog, like the topic. First, the female frog lays eggs. Second, I guess I need to explain more about this. Look at the eggs. See, do not think the outer part of the eggs, because they are just a protective layer called like a jelly. Jelly. And look over here. See, my mouse is moving, right? Those places are the egg. Now, between 1 to 3 weeks later, they hatched into tiny legless tadpoles. Do you know what are tadpoles? Tadpoles are the baby of a frog. They look more like a fish than a frog, but they will come like a frog. I wonder if you know how does this thing form into a frog. Its back legs start to form after 5 weeks. 5. See, these back legs are also called as the hind limbs. Look. See, I've cut in a small picture and put it in a circle, and I copied and pasted from paint. Look. Look. Next, the front legs develop. The only difference is that it still has a tail for swimming. Can you see? Look at the humongous arrow pointing at it. After 14 weeks, it has changed into miniature frog. Miniature frog. Mini. Oh! Look. Oh, so cute. Look how small it is. So small, it's even smaller than our hand. Look, I'm showing the maximum amount of it. Wait, it's a real life. Okay, I must have been tricked by duck. Alright, now in spring, remember spring, which means they lay their eggs in winter. The adult frog, which has just grown, returns to its home and calls a mate. Do you know what's a mate? A mate is another frog and another female frog. If this is a female, they will call a male. This life cycle will repeat again and again and again and again and again and again. See? This is the real form of it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell.